ladies and gents, this is Amy. So this is how it turned out, and I will put one on a plate and test it. The thing with capsicum is they've got a bit of skin on it, so I actually prefer to not eat it with the skin. Actually tastes nicer without it. So if you're like me, it depends. Some people like it, some don't. But I just find when you're eating it, it just, yeah, it's a lot easier to digest as well. So maybe that's something you can do. So there we go. You can see all that. The top is crunchy. That was really nice. Really nice. Although it would have been a bit more tasty if I had put that feta in. Yeah, definitely. But it's really lovely tasting that ginger and the other herbs and spices together. And because I only used to, I just put a little bit, so it wasn't overpowering. Sorry, I'm so hungry. Might as well finish it. I had to wait for my phone to charge before I could film this. It's not that big of a deal, but yeah, it's actually better not to eat it if you've got a funny digestion problem. Yeah, that was so nice. Yeah, I really made an effort not to talk while I'm eating, so that was really nice. Yeah, so yeah, have some fun, and you know, with your leftover veggies, you can try that. And I'll put the details below, and yeah, I'll just the ingredients and how long to cook it and all that. But yeah, all right, thanks guys, try it out, see ya.